Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today, we're diving into a hot question I've been getting a lot lately. How can I use Google Merchant Center Next to improve my shopping campaigns? Great question. And as always, I've got you covered. Let's break it down so you can stop wasting ad spend and start making each click count. Pun absolutely intended. What is Google Merchant Center Next, and why should you care? Okay, first things first. What the heck is Google Merchant Center Next? If you've been running shopping ads for a while, you probably know the classic Google Merchant Center. That's where your product feed lives. The hub that connects your store's inventory to Google Ads so your products can show up in shopping results. Now, Merchant Center Next is Google's upgraded version, a more streamlined, simplified interface that's especially helpful for small and mid-sized e-commerce sellers. Google's automating more of the back end, but that doesn't mean you should just set it and forget it. Pro tip from the 2022 book. Automation helps speed up setup, but the sellers who see real results are the ones who get strategic. Don't let Google make all the decisions for you. Trust me, they'll happily spend your budget if you let them. Optimizing your product feed in Merchant Center. Next, let's talk feeds. Whether you're using classic Merchant Center or Merchant Center Next, your product feed is still king. Here's what you need to double down on. 1. Titles and descriptions. Think like a shopper. Include relevant keywords naturally. Use key attributes like brand, color, size, or material. Whatever makes your product stand out. Instead of running shoes, say men's lightweight running shoes, size 11, Nike, blue. Why? Because Google uses those fields to match your products to search queries. 2. High quality images. Clear white background product images still work best. If your main image has clutter, lifestyle shots, or watermarks, it's time to clean house. 3. Correct GTINs and product identifiers. Google loves structure. If you're missing GTINs, global trade item numbers, you could lose impressions or get disapproved. Using accurate identifiers improves eligibility for product listings and improves campaign relevance. With Merchant Center Next, a lot of this can be auto-filled from your website. But again, double check everything. Automation doesn't mean perfection. Use performance insights. Yes, even in Merchant Center Next. One cool feature in Merchant Center Next, Google added more performance reporting directly in the dashboard. You can now see top performing products, click data, and visibility trends without needing to jump into Google Ads. But here's how to use this insight strategically. Identify top click-through rate, CTR products, and build custom shopping campaigns around them. Spot poor performers and fix feed issues or adjust bids. Use this data to segment campaigns by product category, profit margin, or even seasonality. For my 2022 book, I emphasize the importance of segmentation. Don't lump everything into one smart shopping campaign and call it a day. Give your top products the attention and budget they deserve. Leverage enhanced listings and free listings. Another great trick in Merchant Center. Next, free product listings on Google Shopping and surfaces across Google. If you're not taking advantage of free listings, you're missing out on free traffic. Steps to enable. 1. In your Merchant Center Next, enable the free listings program. 2. Make sure your feed is optimized. The same product title, GTIN, and image rules apply. 3. Track performance to see which listings are getting free clicks. Bonus tip, you can use this data to test new products. Get a feel for demand before committing big ad dollars. Set up conversion tracking properly. This is one that folks overlook all the time. Even with Merchant Center Next, conversion tracking still needs to be dialed in inside Google Ads. Make sure Google Ads is properly linked to your Merchant Center account. You're using the correct conversion action, not counting every form fill if you're only selling products. Import conversions from Google Analytics, GA4 if necessary, but ideally track through Google Ads for shopping. Why this matters? Without accurate conversion data, you can't optimize bids, campaigns, or even understand ROAS, return on ad spend. Wrap up. Make Google work for you, not the other way around. To summarize, Google Merchant Center Next is a great tool, especially for newer sellers or those looking to simplify their backend. But if you want to boost shopping campaign performance, you need to optimize your product feed like a pro. Use data insights to guide your strategy. Leverage both free and paid listings. Track conversions accurately. Segment your campaigns. Don't go 100% smart shopping blindly. As I said in Make Each Click Count, Google is smart, but your business is smarter. Use automation to save time, not to hand over control. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com, and I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.